How do I install a Python package with a .whl file? I'm having trouble installing a Python package on my Windows machine and would like to install it with Christoph Goch's window binaries, which, to my experience, alleviated much of the fuss for many other package installations. However, only WHL files are available. This URL. But how do I install the WHL files? Notes. I've found documents on Wheel, but they don't seem so straightforward in explaining how to install the WHL files. This question is a duplicate with this question, which wasn't directly answered. First, make sure you have updated pip to enable Wheel support. Then, to install from Wheel, give it the directory where the Wheel is downloaded. For example, to install package_name.whl,
I just used the following, which was quite simple. First, open a console, then cd to where you've downloaded your file like some packaged WHL and use. Note: if pip.exe is not recognized, you may find it in the scripts directory from where Python has been installed. If pip is not installed, this page can help. How do I install pip on Windows? Note: for clarification, if you copy the *.whl file to your local drive, xc:\some-dr/some-file, WHL, use the following command line parameters.
I am in the same boat as the op, using a Windows command prompt from directory. Seemed to work. Changing directory to where the WHL was located, it just tells me pip is not recognized. Going back to c:\python34 /scripts, then using the full command above to provide the where it's downloaded location, it says requirement *image, win32 WHL looks like a file name, but the file name does not exist. So I dropped a copy of the .whl in Python 34 scripts, ran the exact same command over again, with the find links equals still going to the other folder, and this time it worked.
There are several file versions on the great Christoph Goch site. Something I have found important when installing Wheels from this site is to first run this from the Python console, so that you know which version you should install for your computer. Picking the wrong version may fail the installing of the package, especially if you don't use the right Python tag. For example, CP27.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.